Have you ever wondered how bullion coins shape the global economy, or even their origin? Well, let's wind back the clock and discover the fascinating tale of these valuable pieces of metal. Bullion coins, precious metal coins minted primarily for investors or collectors, have a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations. The Lydians, in what is now modern-day Turkey, are credited with producing the first coins around 600 BC. These early coins, made from a naturally occurring alloy of gold and silver called electrum, quickly became a convenient medium of exchange, stimulating trade and economic development. Over the centuries, bullion coins evolved in form and function, bearing the imprint of the times. In the Roman Empire, for example, gold and silver coins were not just currency, but also tools of propaganda, featuring the faces of emperors and gods. During the Middle Ages, the purity and weight of coins varied greatly, reflecting the relative instability of the era. Fast forward to the 19th century, the era of the gold standard, where countries tied the value of their currencies to a specific amount of gold. Bullion coins were at the heart of this system, representing a nation's wealth and economic strength. Gold coins like the British sovereign and the American eagle became symbols of their nations, admired for their beauty and purity. However, the 20th century brought seismic shifts. The gold standard was abandoned, and fiat currencies, money backed by the trust and confidence in the government, took over. But this didn't spell the end for bullion coins. Quite the contrary, they found a new role as an investment and a hedge against inflation. Investors and collectors began to value bullion coins for their intrinsic value, their historical significance, and their beauty. So from the dawn of civilization to our modern economy, bullion coins have played a critical role in shaping financial systems. As we look ahead, these precious pieces of metal will continue to gleam with potential, reflecting the ebb and flow of global finance. Now that we understand their history, let's delve into why bullion coins are so crucial in our economy today. Bullion coins play a significant role in the global economy, serving as a reliable store of value. As we see the value of fiat currencies fluctuate, bullion coins, particularly those made of gold, provide a stable source of value. This stability is paramount in times of economic uncertainty, making bullion coins a preferred choice for many investors and nations alike. Let's take a closer look at how nations leverage their bullion reserves. Countries like Russia, Switzerland, and Italy, for instance, have substantial gold reserves relative to their gross domestic product. Russia leads the pack with 8.3%, followed closely by Switzerland and Italy, with 7.6% and 7.4% respectively. These reserves serve as a robust economic backbone, providing a safety net against potential financial crises. In contrast, countries like the United States, Japan, and the United Kingdom have considerably lower gold to GDP ratios, with the United States at 1.9%, Japan at 1.3%, and the United Kingdom at a mere 0.6%. The disparity in these ratios underlines the different approaches nations take towards bullion reserves and their role in economic stability. Furthermore, bullion coins are not just important on a national level, but also on a global scale. With the purchase of gold bullion reaching its peak from 2010 to 2023, it's clear that the world recognizes the importance of this tangible asset. The rise in gold prices, driven by demand, also indicates a growing reliance on bullion coins as a safeguard against the decline of fiat currencies. In essence, bullion coins symbolize much more than just a piece of precious metal. They represent a tangible asset, a safeguard against economic uncertainties, and a vital tool for nations to stabilize their economies. Given their importance, where does that leave bullion coins today, and what does their future look like? Today, the state of bullion coins is strong, with gold bullion purchases reaching their peak between 2010 and 2023. This trend indicates a growing recognition of gold as a proven store of value, sought after to counter the decline in fiat currencies as stable sources of value. As we turn our gaze to the world stage, we see that the G8 countries have been leveraging their fiat currency, creating preferential rights against their official gold reserves. What does this mean for the future of bullion coins? Well, it signals a potential for a significant increase in the price of gold. This increase is not a mere speculation, but is underpinned by the monetary base, which includes both coins and bills, as well as additional amounts circulating in the market. Moreover, it's important to note that countries like China are believed to hold much larger gold reserves than officially reported. This could further drive up the price of gold in the future. Among the nations, the Russian Federation is most prepared for the next gold revaluation, with significant amounts of fiat currency and GDP against their official gold reserve holdings. However, the landscape is not uniformly rosy. Economies like Japan and the United Kingdom have recently found themselves grappling with recessions. Despite this, the gold market remains resilient. For instance, even though the price of gold fell below $2,000 per ounce for the first time in 2 months following US inflation data, it still ended the 13th week in a row, priced above $2,000 per ounce. So, what does the future hold for bullion coins? The current trends suggest a promising outlook. With the potential for significant appreciation in gold prices, bullion coins are likely to remain a stable and promising investment. As we look to the future, bullion coins continue to shine as a beacon of stability amidst the turbulent tides of the global economy. Let's summarize what we've learned today about the historical, current, and future significance of bullion coins. We've journeyed through the rich history of these precious assets, understanding their role as a stable store of value amidst fluctuating fiat currencies. We've delved into their crucial part in the global economy, offering insights into how powerful nations leverage their gold reserves. We've explored the present scenario, observing the peak of gold bullion purchase from 2010 to 2023, and the speculative yet likely extensive reserves held by nations like China. We've also understood the future prospects, with nations like Russia leading in readiness for the next gold revaluation and the continuous incline in gold prices, despite Western investors leaving gold at a higher rate. All these facets illuminate the intricate relationship between bullion coins and our global economy. They are not just shiny pieces of metal, but symbols of economic strength and stability, protecting nations against economic downturns and providing a hedge against inflation. So, whether you're an investor or just an interested observer, understanding the importance of bullion coins gives us insight into the broader economic landscape. Remember, the story of bullion coins is the story of our global economy.